sayawan dyan? Wala po ba ang palakpakan dyan? Wala po ba ang minudo dyan? Joke lang po. Na-invite na Rabika na kayo, amin apo? Or should I say, a pleasant good evening to each and everyone? Standing in front of you is 17 years old Stanner, hailing all the way from municipality of Victoria, Barangay Mangalago. This is Gwen de la Cruz, but tonight, please allow me stand by the name Miss Universe 2018. Beautiful is not a flawless. It shines even through from flaws. Happy Fiesta Katiman, good evening and thank you.
Can I have your attention, please?